Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. I am RAKESH, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to show you how to how to construct the given plumber block cap in CATIA V5 software. Go to the file, new, from list of types choose part drawing, then click OK. The path name is cap, plumber block cap. Here you can see here, this is the plumber block front view and top view. This is symmetrical with respect to vertical axis. So you can construct this left side and right side portion of this plumber block. In this part drawing, I'm choosing YZ plane. Click on sketch tool. Let us go into construct this left side of this plumber block in CATIA V5 software with the help of profile tool. Just you can now you can construct the rough sketch of that half of that sketch. Just you can see the figure and draw the rough sketch. You can see here, this is the curve is exactly passed through the this vertical axis. Next again choose this 3-point arc and close this portion. Next, after completion of this part, you need to apply the dimension with constant toolbar. This length is you can see here, this width is 5 mm, 5 enter. Next, the distance between this edge and this center point, that means axis point, that is 8 mm. This edge and this axis point, that is 8 mm. Next, this width is now we can give the dimension for this width, that is 12 mm. Next, this height is 16 mm. 16 mm. Next, this small circle arc radius is 24 mm. This one is 24 mm. Next, this outside curve radius is 48 mm. Next, here these two arcs drawn from this axis point. So now coincide this arc center point and axis center point. Right click coincidence. Similarly, outside arc center point and axis center point. Right click coincident. Next, give the dimension between this outside edge and this axis center point. This edge and vertical axis, the length is 108 by 2, that means 54. This is the half of this sketch. Now exit from this workbench. Now apply the pad. Here the pad width is that means this sketch width is 46 mm. Now I'm taking mirror extent, so 46 by 2, 23 mm. Then click OK. You can see here in the top view, one curve part is there. The curve radius is 54 mm. Now I'm taking now I'm going to take one more plane on this top side. That is offset distance is radius 48. Now I'm going to select this plane, selecting XY plane. The offset distance is uh, the topmost point is radius 48, 48, enter. Okay, now I'm choosing this plane. Click on sketch tool. On that uh, view render style, I'm taking parallel view. Okay, uh, on that plane, I'm going to construct this arc with the help of center point arc. This is center. Draw the arc from here to here. Now apply the constraints. The radius is 54 mm. Now exit from this workbench. Apply the pocket. Uh, Reverse side. Take dimensions up to next preview. Then click OK. Next, I'm going to construct this arc. So on that plane, click on sketch tool. I'm going to take one curve. You can also apply this sketch. Both are having two holes. So on that surface, I'm going to draw one circle on the surface. Now I'm selecting this surface. Sketch tool. Draw one circle. The circle diameter is 2 holes, 2 element diameter. 12, enter. Next, the distance between this center point to this circle center point, that is axis center point and circle center point, that is 39 mm. Now exit from this workbench, apply the pocket tool. Up to next, then click OK. Next, I'm going to I'm going to remove this excess material on this top curve. So I'm selecting this plane, click on sketch tool. Now I'm going to take center point, center arc. Draw the arc from here to here. Apply the constraints. The radius is 17. Next, the distance between these curve and the center point, 39. Now exit from this workbench, apply the pocket, up to plane, select the surface, then click OK. Apply the pocket, up to plane, select this surface. Here reverse side. This is very important. You can remove that material. You can choose this reverse side. Then click OK. Next, This is symmetrical with respect to vertical axis, so we can go to the insert transformation features, where it's mirror, select this surface, then click OK. Next, the one more important point is you need to create one counter bore at the middle portion of this gap. Go to sketch tool, sketch position sketch. Select this plane, reverse swap, OK. Next, at this point you need to create one point. Where is point? Insert, profile, point. I'm locating point here. Then exit from this workbench. Next, apply the hole at this point. Select this space. Now hole definition dialog box is appear. Here the diameter of this hole is 6 mm diameter. Next, up to last, like the type is counter board. The counter board diameter is 8 mm and that depth is 16 mm. Then click OK. This is the final modeling for the given plumber block cap in CATIA V5 software. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Uh, Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.